How's everybody doing out there in quarantine? Hope everybody's feeling like we're at the tail end of this thing. And just wanted to share a little, kind of a little tip that I came across by accident. I found out, a lot of people, they go to the store to buy a lot of stuff, and I found a way to kind of start saving a little bit of money by growing here at home. And I just kind of wanted to share some tips that I came up with. I got a little plot kind of cleared out next to the house and found out something kind of cool. You can take these are little assorted pastinas, noodles. All right, there's lots of different kinds in here, so I don't know what I got, but I'm gonna kind of spread them out evenly. You don't even have to bury them. You just kind of shake them out. And they say you gotta wait 2 to 3 hours to start to see any effect. So I'll be coming back out here in about, probably in about an hour and a half to 2 hours to see if anything's changed. You know, this part's actually kind of weird. Oh wow, yeah, this will be perfect. The hotter the better, really, for this step. You put a little salt in here. All right. And then we're gonna take a walk outside with it. The next step is the hot water. So what you do is you kind of just pour this hot water over here liberally. Okay. And this is really when the magic starts to happen. So this next step will take probably about 2 to 3 days. So I'll come back out here and kind of give everyone an update on how it's doing. How's everybody doing? This is about a week and a half now, and we're really starting to see some growth. Let me show you what we got. So you can see this is fettuccine. These are coming up really good. Some of them are having a little trouble getting started, but I just couldn't believe that. We have looks like just some regular spaghetti that came up here. I was really impressed with the macaronis. They grow a little funnier than I expected them to. They kind of loop back down into the ground. And of course your penne shoots. These are just starting, but they're almost ready. I'd say about another 2 or 3 days, and these will be ready to pick right out of the ground. I was really impressed with the lasagna. I mean, I only got 2 of them, but they came up real fast and real wide. You should be able to make some pretty good lasagna with these. So, if anybody wants to show me their Italian garden, I'm just getting started. This is just week 2 for me. I plan on kind of doing the whole side of the house. Let me see if one of these looks ready. I mean, look, you just kind of pick it like that, then you throw it in a pot and boil them up. There really isn't much more to it than that. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I know a lot of people, grow their own tomatoes, their own basil and everything, but nobody ever thought, hey, why not grow my own pasta? So hopefully this helps out. I know pasta isn't really that expensive, but to grow it yourself, it doesn't really take that long, and it's really easy to harvest, really easy to cook. And I'll tell you what, I haven't had better pasta than just picking it fresh out of the garden.